Hello friends, it's Mrs. Clark here. Today I'm going to show you how to create some animation using Scratch. So this is the Scratch website. It is scratch.mit.edu. That will be in your Google Classroom, a link. When you come here, you're going to go to sign in. I think all of us have joined. If you haven't joined, you're going to join Scratch using your Hazlet Google information. But most of us have already used Scratch, so we're going to go to sign in here, put your username and your password, your regular Hazlet username and password, and click sign in. If you can't get in, make a new account using your Hazlet account. So I'm going to sign in. Once you sign in, on the top toolbar, you're going to go to create up here on the top. And what we're going to do today is we are going to create a background on Scratch, and then I'm going to show you how to animate your name using Scratch, okay? When you use Scratch for animation tools, they call this a sprite here. A sprite is basically a character that's in the picture or an image or a letter. And you could always get rid of this silly looking cat here just by clicking the garbage can. It gets rid of it. Then you're going to go to the background on the bottom. You're going to choose a backdrop. And then you're going to go to where it says choose a backdrop with the magnifying glass. And it's going to give you backdrops for you to choose. I want you to choose one backdrop that makes you happy. Something that makes you happy. Mrs. Clark is always happy when I go to the beach. So I'm going to click the beach backdrop, and that's going to be the backdrop of my animation. When I'm done choosing my backdrop, I am then going to start putting my name onto the backdrop. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go to where it says choose sprite and then click the magnifying glass again. And then up here on the top, you're going to go where it says letters. And then you're going to start getting your name in there. So obviously I'm just going to do my last name. And you don't want to do the same color as the back. You can change the color. There is a drawing tool to change the color. So I'm just going to click C. And there's my C. And then I can move it over where I want it to be. And then I'm going to do L. It doesn't automatically keep on clicking letter. L. A. Letter again. A. And you know how Mrs. Clark likes everything spaced out. And then we're going to go to R. Oh, move over here. And then lastly, my K for Clark. Now I'm going to show you how to make things move, okay? That is animation. That's how everything is made on TV and videos. So what you're going to do is you are going to click on the letter or whatever sprite that you want animated. So in this case, I click on the C, and then over here on the side, I'm going to tell it what I want it to do. So events, when I click the green flag here on the top, I'm going to tell it that when I click on that green flag, I want it to turn around 15. Okay. You have to do it to each individual letter. So on each letter, you would click and tell it what to do. And then you can practice by playing and clicking the flag on the top. Okay. When you are done and you're finished animating all your letters, you can then, you could try it out or you could stop it, because what would happen is it's going to keep on spinning the letters. This is practice. It doesn't have to be completely done, but I want you to practice and learn how to have animations moving. So look, every time I click my flag, my C is moving by 15 degrees. Okay. You can also do music on here. There is sounds up here. You could change the backdrop. There's a lot of different things that you can do on here to play around. When you're done, I ask that you title it as your name. And then when you go to share, you click share. Once you click share, it's going to show you your project. And then I want you to click where it says copy link. And then it's going to give you a link, and you're going to click copy link. Then you're going to go to your email. Actually, you could just go to the Google Classroom page. And on the Google Classroom page, I just want you to copy and paste that link into Google Doc. So you would go to our Classroom page, and then do a Google Doc and post that link into a Google Doc, and then submit it to our project. That way I could see everyone's beautiful animations. So I'm opening up a Google Doc, and then I'm going to paste it right in my Google Doc. Control V, paste it there for me, and then title it animation, and turn it into me on the Google Classroom. I miss all of you. I hope you're all doing well. I can't wait to see you all again, and I miss you. Bye.